let's get those ringtones set for you. So let's go to your file manager first. That's the folder right there. So your songs on your SD card, so let's go right here to the SD card. Now my songs are normally in a music folder, so let's scroll down until we see music. Now if you have like a downloading app, it may be in a folder in this area, which is an app folder, but mine is in music. So let's go to music. Okay, let's pick a song. Let's pick Eminem, Lose Yourself. Hold it down till it vibrates. You see those two papers? You're gonna press that because that's a copy function. So you press that. Press the back arrow once more. Back to the home page where you see phone storage. Tap phone storage. Go to notifications. And you press this click pad, which means paste. So now we've pasted Eminem Lose Yourself in this folder. This folder is where you can come, like if you want to put particular songs for like WhatsApp, Facebook, text messaging, stuff like that, because ringtones are straightforward, like if your phone rings. But if you want notifications for those third-party apps, then this is how it works. So when it come out, let's find WhatsApp now. WhatsApp. Okay, now let's go to the settings area. Let's go to notifications. Notification tone. Now the song you use was Eminem Lose Yourself. Let's look for that. There it is, Lose Yourself. Press that. Press OK. And that's how you would do it. So, try it out. Let me know if it works out.